Hey, Inflewence here, and today I have this stand that has this unique thing on the back. Total transparency, this was sent to me by the company. It's really billed as a Gundam stand. I don't really do Gundams, but it works well with other stuff too, not just Gundams. But I do know, I think particular Gundams have like spaces for lights. So that's what this stand is for. So you just get it in these five. I can't count. 5 pieces. And it's really easy, intuitive. You just stick it there and then you can put this together. These 2 pieces. And this goes like a kind of like a catwalk. So then you can put it on here. There's a peg here. Peg that together. Then you can do the same thing over here. You just peg that in at the bottom and then peg it on the side. And then this catwalk piece can go on different levels. So let's just put it over here. I think the Gundams are like super big, and I mean the lore, and like people have to work on them. So I think that's what this is for. Like it's building. Please excuse my Gundam ignorance.
Transformers reviews, tech and the news, whatever else I use as a muse. Hit subscribe, I appreciate the views. Influences interest on YouTube.
But I do have another figure here, Transformer, because that's what I'm into. Shout out to Realm of Collectors with their special gummy orange ollie. So I already put the lights in here. So what this thing does is, I showed this briefly. Plug this in. It has a USB-C. So you can use a USB-C regular plug or any other USB-C plug.
Subscribe.
You use a power bank. Some won't. It says in the manual some will make weird noises. I guess if there's not enough power. Earlier I hooked up one. It was just like a random high powered one and it didn't come on. So I'm assuming that's too much power maybe. But I think most normal USB-C should work. So it's on now. And you get 1 pack of these LEDs with the stand. This is orange and this is blue. They gave me a second pack just for my enjoyment, but so what happens is when you have this plugged in and you have these on something, a figure or something, you see it, they light up. Take them away, it's like magnetic. Take them closer, they light up. Take them away, nothing. So then you have a figure. You also get these sticky things with the LEDs, so you can stick. They're like 2-way tape, so you can stick LEDs. So let me show you one of the LEDs and pull it out carefully. It's in there good. Here's the LED. Hopefully you can see. Just very small, and it has a small round part, and then it's a little thinner part. So you do have to be mindful where you want to put this with these, but they have like round stickers you can just stick this on. So I've already done it. I put one on the back of his head, and I put some blue. I put orange here and blue here. So now let's put this figure here, and when you put it here you can see the lights lighting up. Now I didn't stick this exactly like where I would need it. I just want it for demonstration purposes. And here you are in the dark. And just to give you a little idea what it's going to look like, I had 2 blues down here, but the one is just in the orange part, but this part is clear. So you do see, you can situate it, put them both in the back, put like 2 over here so it lights up the whole leg. And then you can have like really, in this figure, you can do the chest. You can do all of that. And then if you want, you can take this stuff off. You don't really need this if you don't want them. And of course, it still works. I think one of my LEDs just came out at the bottom. There we go. But yeah, there you go. And you can move this to be more on his head. And here you go with the lights lit up because they're in the field. All right, so thanks for watching. I'll get up with you in another one.
You know, life ain't no, life ain't no, life ain't no. As long as you alive, you can give another try and take it real high if you want it.